so apologies for the washer and dryer going in the back, but like I said in previous videos, it is what it is with sharing workspace. So today we got a speedometer and the speedometer sensor for the Ironhead, as well as the cable for it. So we're going to be putting that on the bike and seeing if it works. Also seeing what speed the bike starts shutting down at. So hopefully this will maybe give me some indications, plus make it street legal and all that kind of stuff for inspection. So with that being said, this is the what was it? Drag Specialties, I think. I don't know, forget what brand it is, but essentially it was cheap. Got it from, I actually don't remember where I got it from. Sorry, I'm all messed up. It's been a while. I've had it sitting on the bench for a minute. So let's get the wheel off the bike and get the speedometer on there, and then get the wheel reassembled, and then that's like the hardest part, and then we'll be able to just do the electrical and stuff. So let's move over to the bike.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't
Alright, so now we got it on. Seat's in here and it's spinning. I had to do a little bit of math and some lubrication stuff to get the spacing right. Yes, I am using washers that I got from Home Depot, just because like I don't have a machining tool to be able to like, cut my spacers down, and I don't want to spend any more money, so it's kind of like I got one over here, two over here on the right, just to kind of make it work. But yeah, so we got it there. So I'm gonna clean all this up, and then we're going to move up to the handlebars and work on getting the actual speedometer put on there and wired up and everything. So give me a second and we'll get up to the handlebars. Alright, so I got the mounting bracket here. Let's see what this looks like. So I can either put it like right here, just mount it kind of like this, or I can mount it like right off the side, maybe down here.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
So I got it mounted here. It's mocked up. I got the ground wire running. I'm going to ground it right down here where the horn's grounded. Now I got to run a wire all the way down through the frame down to the key switch. So, which is all the way at the bottom back left of the bike. All the way down there, as you can see. So now I got to take some smaller gauge wire that I have and solder them together to make the length. But yeah, so I'm going to do all that and then route the wire and then test it and see if we're good.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it.
Alright, so I got it wired up here, about to test it. Before I do that, I'm going to throw this cable on. So, unfortunately I wasn't able to get it steel braided like the rest of it was, but should run from here to here pretty well, so yep, so let's get this on.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Yeah, I have a lot of TC Bros in this bike. Do you like TC Bros?
Yeah.
Can you say it?
Yeah. My TC Bro.
Yeah.
I TC Bro. Mama TC Bro.
TC
I
Bros.
want TC Bro.
You love TC Bros?
Yeah. My heart TC.
You brainwashed him.
Alright, well, it's lit up.
Dad.
So the thing now to do is try and start it and take it for a ride. So let's see if it works. Alright, so that's going to do it for today's video. The speedometer does work. I got up to about, I think it was 40-ish, 35 to 40, which is not bad considering I still have some issues motor-wise to go through. I don't know, but it sounds like there's a little bit of knocking in the front cylinder. So I'm not sure if that's just an oil issue, it's not getting lubrication or what. But good news is I have a working speedometer. Bad news is the motor still, it's not really wanting to go that fast, it keeps dying. So before the rear cylinder was over 300 degrees, the front cylinder was like 100 degrees or so. This time it was like 285 to 295-ish. So it did come down a couple degrees. All I did was tighten on the intake manifold clamps. So maybe that's a good indication that, you know, I need to check for an air leak. But it does sound like there's some knocking, like I said. So I have plenty more work to do, but I got a speedometer, got turn signals, brakes, front and rear, and it rolls. So I'm there to pass inspection once the motor works, which is the whole point, because I want to make this rideable. Still need to figure out forward control somehow. Probably got to custom make them, but we'll get to that point when we get there. More importantly though, I gotta also figure out why my battery keeps dying. I keep having to use a little my little quick jump start thing when I go to ride it. So damn, about it died right at the end, but that's gonna do it for today's video. If you like what you see here, you want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe. I got more content coming for that bike over there, this bike over here, as well as trips this year, and hopefully some footage of some motorcycle shows. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next one.